Okay, so if you're worried about storage right now, if you look at me, I got like a 400, a 600. Oh my gosh. So basically, I got tons of system data. And yeah, if you already search internet, you may already know that you just go to the I don't know how this sign called. It's just like a wave sign and slash and library and go to that cache section. You just clear all the cache that you don't think you need. For example, Adobe, something like that. And after that, if you still got tons of system data, you do not need third-party software to do that. If you're a developer like me, it probably because reason like this. Okay, I'm a Xcode developer. I also like a develop Android device. I got tons of system data. Oh my gosh, I got 400 gigabytes of system data. Okay, and most of the data is here. Okay, so if you go to the Xcode, let me show you. Okay, you go to Xcode, you go setting, and you got components. As you can see, you got tons of runtime already installed there. I constantly need to download the latest version of the runtime to actually run my program. So as you can see, I got like a 16 all the way to platform support. Yeah, 18. Oh my gosh. So all the previous section, we don't need it. Okay. So you can just delete everything. I don't need Apple Watch right now. I only need, say, the Apple TV. So you can delete all of it. Oh my gosh. So let me just give you an idea how much. Right now it's 445. Okay. So if I just remove everything here. Okay. And let's see how much more data that we can have. Okay, yeah, so we already deleted. Let's go back to here. Right, we got we're down to 300. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. Apple Watch, we don't need it. Or the 17 version, we don't need it. Actually, we just need the latest 18 version, iOS. Okay, and remove. And yeah, of course, we got this Mac OS. So for example, you don't need a Mac OS, you can just delete it today. Beta Simulator, you don't need that. These two, I think we don't need it, so it's another. Apple Vision, a Silicon Mac, sorry, we don't have it. A Silicon Mac. TV, we don't need it. Apple Watch, I don't need it right now. I just want to free up all the space. Okay, so as we can see, we're already down 200 gigabytes. And it's pretty good, right? So you just shrink it to like 300 gigabytes. So that's brilliant. That's pretty quick way to clean up data. And if you already clear the cache and you still can't get enough space, and if you are a iOS developer like me, probably this is the reason. I hope this helped, and please give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.